one.
Imagine getting ready for work and getting kids to school. You run out of the house, short on time, and realize you've left something behind. The next time you're in a rush, worry no more. Leave only your stress at home and carry on your commute through the convenience of a shared locker system close to your community with the unique concept where you can lend and donate gently used items. Revive those old goods and never panic again, because we've got you covered with the Commutopy. Welcome. We are Team 6. My name is Ryan, and I am here with Taylor, Aisha, Jesse, and Eric to introduce you to the Commutopy. We developed a vending machine that pairs with your smart device through a user-friendly app which aims to assist the everyday commuter while reducing our impact on the environment. We kicked off the DEI process by coming up with our initial opportunity statement. How might we provide commuters with a sharing system for things they forget? After interviewing possible stakeholders, we refined our opportunity space to create our finished opportunity statement. How might we provide commuters with a community locker system where they can rent materials that provides them a greater sense of comfort and security? The feedback from our stakeholder analysis was a key factor for us to understand the commuter's needs. And from here, I'll pass it off to Eric to explain further.
Moving into our define phase, we conducted interviews to be able to narrow down ideas and what our prototype would look like in the end. The questions we asked our users were what items they would like to see in our design, what the cost would be to make it affordable for everyone to use, and most importantly, see if they would be interested in seeing this implemented in Denver. After reviewing the interviews, we found that the concepts that our users wanted were variety in what we provide in the vending machine system, a sanitary method of obtaining the items in a health safety manner, and overall making it affordable. The most important idea was making it convenient for people to have no difficulty in using it. We then started narrowing down the ideas that we all came up with. From the C sketch and the real Winworth activities, we had multiple ideas to implement into our prototype. Most of them were simple that needed to be added in order for our prototype to work. However, our top two were the donation system and the app connection, which is added into our final prototype. And I'll pass it on to Taylor for the develop.
To kick off our developing process, we started with an app prototype. 3 of our team members created 3 different app designs, and from these 3 different app designs, we took bits and pieces that all of us liked. From these pieces, we created our final paper prototype that ran through a rental process from the app. Next, we started our physical prototyping and began with a crude cardstock prototype that laid out all of our initial ideas. From this crude prototype, we began sketching and implementing any ideas we didn't have initially. From this sketch, we created our cardboard prototype, and it was extremely important for it to be functional and convenient for any users to start testing. I will now pass it on to Aisha to go through our final app prototype.
For our final app prototype, after deciding on all 3 of the prototypes, we agreed on one app. Upon entering the app, you could either continue as a guest, where you automatically have to set up your payment, or sign in or sign up. Upon finishing signing up, you are taken to the main menu, where you could access your current rentals, go to the shop, go to the wallet where you could change your payment method, view locations of donate lockers and your favorite locker, go to your locker rental where you could access your QR code, or even provide feedback for us. Upon going to the shop and checking out the item that you want, in this instance, a bike lock, you are taken to the locker rental page. You are required to click to spin to the location to access the QR code, and then when you're finally done, you hit done for your receipt. I will now pass it off to Jesse to talk more about the physical prototype.
Our original carousel design with one pickup drop-off location fell short as users were concerned about security and sanitation. This allowed us to create a secure rotating multiple compartment system equipped with UV light for sanitation. This also allowed us to minimize time spent at the machine. After shopping through the app, simply scan the QR code. The machine will then rotate to desired selection, unlock, and we can retrieve the item. Users paid within the app will be charged a rental price and then charged full price if not returned. And cash users will be charged full price and then refunded a percentage of that amount once the item is returned. As a group, I would like to say thank you for your time, and we will now field questions.